Hey, it's John Clay with SOS Physiotherapy, and I am wearing the old SOS Physiotherapy t-shirt. I'm here today to tell you about a little webinar we're doing about outside stuff and how to do it without getting hurt. Wednesday, July 20th at 4:30 p.m., myself, Andrew Welk, and a special guest will be there to help you out with all the outdoor hacks, from shoveling to raking to pulling that cord on the weed whacker, how to hold the lawnmower and push it up and down hills, how to prune the hedges, all those good things, and anything else you can ask me on the day of, because I have the help of my good friend and son, youngest, Lucas Clay at 13. My videographer is going to follow me around the house and do all the things that you want to see done that day. Wednesday, July 20th, 4:30. Click to register. We hope to see you there.